Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Now it is very easy to replace the engine air filter. It's located under the front hood, just behind the battery, under this cover right here. Now to remove the cover you'll have to unclip it on both sides. You'll have to unclip it here and here. You can try to do it with your fingers. If not, you'll have to use something like a flat screwdriver just to get in there. Okay, in my case this wasn't removed for a while, so I'll have to help myself a bit here just to try to get it out. Okay, just like this, you see. And now here is the engine air filter. To remove it, just pull it straight out, and it looks like mine wasn't removed in ages. So yeah, I got this car off the car auction, and I always check all the filters and everything before I do anything else. Also, it's a good idea to try and clean inside this air box before installing the new filter. You see how dirty it is inside. You can see that this filter is completely gone. Okay, and one more thing to add, it is always a good idea to replace the engine air filter with every oil change. It's very cheap to do. They cost like $5-6 and you can do it by yourself, right? Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.